Hey there, people. How's it going? All right, so moving on to fifth grade. Um, the topic for this week is going to be called natural disasters, desastres naturales. Use your dictionary to read and understand the natural disasters. Usa tu diccionario para leer y entender los desastres naturales. So we have a tornado. Okay, it is a type of storm which winds are powerful and the strongest on Earth. Okay, the consequences for a tornado are massive destruction to homes, properties, and farm animals. About 60 people are killed by tornadoes each year. Even though it affects a small area, the energy within it is higher than the hurricane energy. All right, so fire, the destruction of something such as a building or a forest by fire. Consequences are fire affects homes, properties, plants, loss of human lives, and animals. Tsunami, a very high, large wave in the ocean that's usually caused by an earthquake. The consequences are that the tsunami destroys not only human lives but also insects, animals, plants, and natural resources. It has a very negative impact on soil because of the salinization of the waters in rivers and in underground waters. Earthquake. It is a violent movement of the Earth's crust. It usually lasts less than a minute. Okay, so the consequences for an earthquake are massive destructions to homes and infrastructure. Okay, because of its strength and the affected area, earthquake kills hundreds and thousands of lives. In addition, an earthquake can release tsunamis, which affects different areas, different people, and shores. Hurricane, a tropical cyclone with winds of 74 miles, that's 119 kilometers per hour or greater, that occurs especially in the western Atlantic, that is usually accompanied by rain. The consequences are that it destroys homes, buildings. Hurricanes produce tornadoes. In addition, its heavy rainfalls produce destructive floods. Drought, a period of dryness, especially when prolonged, that causes extensive damage to crops. Consequences, it causes stress in the environment and people. Long-term droughts can lead to war, famine, disease, massive migration, and crop failures. Okay, so those were the natural disasters, the most known natural disasters. Okay, moving on to number two, match the natural disaster to the respective explanation by writing the corresponding numbers. Une los desastres naturales con su respectiva explicación escribiendo sus números en el espacio indicado. Okay, tsunami, and then I'm going to look to the right and see the meaning for tsunami, and I'm going to write down number one. Okay, escribo número uno, veo cuál de todos los que están ahí describe un tsunami y le pongo el número uno en el espacio. Okay, that would be everything for this week, guys. Thank you and see you next class.